Hello everyone. In this video we are covering most important topic is trading mindset and discipline. Now whoever watching this course or whoever going through the course, I am pretty sure who already gone through trading or who already traded, I am pretty sure more than 90% sure that most of you are lose your capital or lose the lots of money. The reason is not because of you are lacking of the technical skills, but because of your mindset and your trading discipline, and you don't have proper money management. So what are those mindset which I am following? I'm throughout this video I am explaining what is my mindset during trading, how I plan my trade, and what are the disciplines I am following. And when I was also beginner, I also done same mistakes like you, nothing great, but I realized one day I realized that all the mistakes, and later on I improved my mistakes and converted all the lost trades into profitable ones, and now I can say proudly say that I am the profitable trader, because it's not like I am not losing anything or I don't face loss. I am facing the loss, nothing great, but as compared to my loss, my profit is always bigger and much more as compared to my losses. Now let's start with the first mindset I have and what mindset I am following. What I done is, in my early days I gone through each and every, like all YouTube videos like moving averages and some technical charts, technical skills, but that not helped me. To be very honest, that not helped me. I lose a lots of money based on that videos. That videos are not proper, as well as I'm not saying that videos are incorrect. That video is also correct. But in the most video, if you see, they are not covering what is the topic. Like suppose if you're choosing the moving average, then which time frame we can choose, and which time frame it will work best. They are not covering. Most of the videos are like this one only. And in the YouTube videos, you will found good content as well, but the all contents are overloaded one. That's why I shortlisted and make this course the good course end to end, so that if you follow this one and if you follow same content into another one, then you will get good knowledge as well as good learning throughout the course. Now let's talk about the mindset. Always make your mindset or always make your plan one day before the trading. You should have the plan. For example, tomorrow if market going to open flat or positive side, gap up or gap down, in case of if market open gap down, what is the scenario, what is the best case? If in case market is open gap down, what you are going to do? If open gap down, then market will take support from some points and it will move upside. Then at that case, what you will do? If market open flat, then what is your case? Plan your trade one day before or before market is opening. Second, always follow the stop loss and always maintain the risk reward ratio. Now what is risk reward? Risk reward is, for example, if always mention or always clear it with your mindset that in the whole day tomorrow I am going to take a risk for the full day only 60 points. Okay, now again, what is the 60 points? Suppose if you bought at 100 and put stop loss as 40, that means 100 minus 40 is 60. Then you are able to make loss of only 60 points. So if you make loss of 60 points on that day, then you don't care about that loss and you are easily able to carry forward that loss. Or let's suppose as per your money management, you don't care about 60 point loss. This point will vary between each and every person. It's just an example, just for the sake of the example. So whatever the points you are following, you can follow freely. But if your trade is going more than 60 points, then don't go for that trade, because it's out of your money management. Always put stop loss. What will happen? Sometimes your stop loss will hit, market will move upside. It's better you can re-enter it again at the high position, but always follow the rules. Make your own rules. No need to follow any another person rule. You can make your own rules. For example, I am making the rules like I'm able to handle the 60 point loss. So if within first trade 40 point I got 40 point as a loss, then I will only take 20 points trade, 20 point loss trade, so that I will carry that loss. Or make your discipline like only 2 trades per day. and only 60 points loss, not per day, whole day loss, so that you are very clear about your money management. Always follow the money management. Also, suppose if you are taking the risk of 30 points, then always expect the target at least for the 30 points or more than 30 points. If you are adding stop loss of 30 points and you are exiting in 10 or 20 points loss, then you are doing mistakes. You just need to wait until market cross the 30 points. Always make your mindset, which I am always following. Either your SL will hit or target will hit. Okay. If you bought at 100 rupees, put stop loss at, I am giving one example, put stop loss at 70, expect target as 130. If market come down and if market is at 75 rupees, even if it's 75 rupees, no need to exit. Either market will hit your stop loss or your target. Okay, if market hit target, then it's depend on you how to tell your stop loss, and based on price action you can go. But sometimes what will happen, you bought at 100, market will drop, within 75 rupees you can close the trade within the loss of 25 points. But once you close the trade, market will move upside, and that regret will affect your psychology and affect your mindset, and it will affect your next trade, and you will go for aggressive buying and aggressive selling. Do not go for aggressive buying, aggressive selling. Avoid the aggressive buying, aggressive selling in the market. Okay, and because of, if you follow this one, automatically your mindset will be clear, your trading psychology will be improving. You just need to follow the discipline. How much lots, how much quantity you are trading, just fix that one. Slowly, day by day improving. Trading is not like a Alibaba cave, right? You can go and grab some goals there day by day. It's not like that one. Trading is just like as a beginner, there is high chances that you will lose your capital. It's completely fine. But even after losing the capital, if you are not learning anything, then it's completely your fault. You should learn each and every loss. Suppose if you face the loss, then always mention yourself, like always think that why you faced the loss. What is the reason that your trade gone wrong by your analysis? So just analyze that. Give the time to the market. Market is always supreme. Okay. If your mind thought that I need to buy, even after market is saying selling, don't listen to mind, because market is always supreme. There are crores and lots of millions of people who is following the market, and most of the 90% chances that people will lose, only 10% will earn. Whoever losing 90% will get for the 10%. So it's on you, converting from 90% to 10% or always in the 90%. No need to follow any tips. Be aware of the tips provider. Okay, there are good tips provider as well, but it's always better to learn by yourself and trade by yourself. Invest that much money which you are easily able to earn, or let's say easily able to carry, which will not affect your family, your mindset. Okay, do not borrow money and invest in the market. This is the very bad experience or very bad practice in the market. I talked to multiple people throughout my group, and most of the people doing mistake is borrowing the money as a beginner and investing in the stock market. It's not good and a good idea. Even if your good friend is saying follow their approach, no need to follow anyone. Make your own strategy, make your own psychology, make your own rules, and do not break the rules. Is the must in the trading. If you follow the rules, if you follow the discipline, then it would be great. And one more thing, always see the market in terms of points. What is the points? Suppose if bought as 100 and you sold as 130, that means you earned 30 points. Okay, do not see in the profit. Suppose I bought 25 quantity, I bought at 100 and sold at 140, that means I earned 40 points. Okay, 40 points. But how much I earned? 1000 rupees here because I bought 25 quantity, like 25 into 40, which is equal to 1000 rupees. Do not see the profit in the numbers. Always target the points, 40 points, 60 points. Suppose if someone is trading with the 100 quantity and booking 30 points, that means he will easily get 3000 rupees. Okay, 3000 rupees. And if you bought at, if you trading for the 25 quantity instead of 100 and booking at 100 points, and you are getting you are getting 2500 rupees, that means you are much more than this trader. Okay, so always calculate your profit and loss in terms of points. If you are good enough to book lots of major points and small loss, then it's just a matter of increasing the quantities. Quantity does not matter here as a beginner. Okay, that's the reason don't go for aggressive trading and aggressive buying. That's what I'm summarized throughout my career. Well, lots of people doing mistake to not to follow rules, not to add the stop loss. Stop loss is the must. If stop loss hit, also fine. Figure out why your stop loss hit. You can re-enter at the same trade, but do not do mistake by not adding the stop loss. Always add logical stop loss as per your risk capacity. Okay, do not add like if you bought at 100 rupees and put stop loss at 10 rupees, it's not a good idea. Okay, that's the reason why I'm covering all this topic in the video, because most of the people are doing this mistake. More than 90% people who is watching this video, I'm pretty sure you are also agree with me that you are also done same mistakes like me in my which I did in my earlier days. So hope you got my point. Enjoy the full course, take your time and analyze the market. If you have any query, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next.